Okay, I look absolutely ridiculous. I already have my hair sectioned off. I am going to start dyeing my hair. It's not exactly the level that I would have liked it to be, but I can't lighten it anymore without frying it off. And I just want to change it, so that's why I'm just dyeing it now. We know Arctic Fox, right? Cosmic sunshine! Yay! So, I'm doing that on this side because I have more hair on this side because my fringe is like off to my left side. And the other one is Virgin Pink. Sorry, my finger is in the way. Virgin Pink. And that will be on this side because I only have 4 ounces of this. Well, this is an 8-ounce bottle. And I have less hair on this side because, like I said, I have a side part that goes over to my left side. So I have my hair sectioned, I've got little clippies, I've got both bottles of dye, and I've got gloves. Even if I wanted to light my hair again, I used this whole entire tub, which was 16 ounces of powder lightener. I used all of it both times that I lightened my hair. Hopefully this still is like super, super bright. I think what I'm going to do is just put the dye in the bowl. Ooh, it's thick. I mean, it's a good thing, but not what I was expecting at all. I know I didn't get all of the dye out of the bottle, so I'm going to put it upside down so it's draining down. And this is what I have in the bowl so far. So, yay, let's go ahead and do this. I'm so excited. I hope this comes out really good. Okay, so I barely had enough yellow to do my left side. So it's a good thing that I decided to do yellow on this side because there's no way that Virgin Pink would have actually done everything I needed it to do. And now I'm seriously questioning whether or not this Virgin Pink will actually have enough or not. So again, I'm just putting all of the dye that I have in this bowl, and I seriously hope I have enough for everything. And that's all of the pink. So enough to do all my hair on this side. Okay, so my camera's about to die. Yellow, pink, you can see what's going on. I did not have enough pink, I don't think, so I may have to go get more next weekend. I'm not sure, but I'm hoping this goes as bright as I would like it to, and I'm hoping this isn't like super patchy, but I think it might be. So I'll come back after I rinse it out and everything. I hope I got a decent part too, so yeah. Okay, so it's been a few days, more like a couple weeks, since I dyed my hair. I'm gonna post a picture, include a couple pictures of what it looked like right after it was done. I've washed my hair 6 times. I washed it more than I normally would because I was like extremely sick. So I washed it a little more than I would have, and really the only part that is still somewhat vibrant is right here. Everything else is pretty much faded out so much more than I would have expected with all of the hype and everything that I've seen from Arctic Fox. I have done a couple deep conditioning treatments, and because it is because it is still colder, I have been drying my hair so it's not super soaking wet. I've been using this to be a heat protectant. So that's where I'm at with my hair, and I'm not happy with it anymore. Excuse me, I'm still not 100%. So that's why I'm checking in now. I didn't have enough to do all of the pink on this side, and it's more of a kind of a weird berry wine color in real life, and it didn't stick in some areas, but again, I didn't have enough to do all my hair on this side. This one kind of faded out to a weird color too, but I didn't have my hair as light as I would have liked it to have been. I guess that's going to be it for this. Am I going to get Arctic Fox again? Probably not. The smell wasn't horrible to me. It smelled like a green apple Jolly Rancher to me. My husband did not like the smell at all. He kept saying it was a chemical apple smell, is what he described it as. I didn't mind the smell all that much. I don't know what I'm going to do for the future for my hair colors. Yeah, that's basically where I'm at, and who knows what my next color will be. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. Bye.